Today I'm gonna make a very special drink that they use maybe it's not only in El Salvador but a different kind of in America. So this is made of. It looks great. It tastes great and it's nutritious. So what we're gonna need to make this special Latin drink is called Cebada in Spanish, but it's made of barley. See, I bought the barley, like raw, and I'm gonna cook it. So what we need is to make this amount is about is maybe 8 or 10 glasses or cup. We'll need 1 cup of barley. You see they said per barley, and 6 cups of water. So, but first, before I put my barley there in the cooking pot, I'm going to bring to boil cloves. It's around 10 or more than 10 cloves. So it's going to be a little bit of spicy, but it's good for you too. And this is ginger. And cinnamon, we're going to do it when we blend it. And what else? Yeah, that's it. I'm going to bring to boil this, and then I'm going to remove the cloves and the ginger. Then I add my barley. Okay? So I'm going to show you once it's ready, and then to put my barley to boil. Okay? As you see, this has been boiling for like 10 minutes. So our cloves are there in the ginger. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove them with my little strainer, and then we're going to put my barley. Okay. It's okay if you just miss 2 or 3. It's fine if you blend them, because the drink has to be a little bit of spicy, not too much. But okay, now we're gonna add our barley. 1 cup for 6 cups of water. So now let it boil until it's very, very tender. So, okay. Once in a while, it's good to, just keep moving it. So, and maybe a medium heat. Okay. So, next step will be we're gonna blend it. Okay. Now you see that our barley is already cooked, and see the texture very soft. So our next step is I'm going to blend it with, we put 6 cups of water here, we put 1 cup of barley. So I'm going to add maybe 2 or 3 more cups of water, and then milk. Okay, that will be the next step. And also, when I'm blending the barley, I'm going to add the cinnamon sticks. So, because I'm going to strain it anyway. And then we're going to add the rest of the ingredients: vanilla, sugar. Okay. Now we're going gonna add cinnamon. Okay. See. Very good. So we're gonna blend it really good. It's gonna take like maybe 3 or 4 minutes blending. I'm gonna show it to you once I have ready. Okay, ahora, sorry, it's so hard, you know, to translate my own language is Spanish, but I'm trying to make it in English for my English speaking viewers and subscribers. So you see, we're almost done with our barley drink. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to strain it, and that takes patience because we need to make sure that everything. Okay. Let's move it. Open this. See? Almost finished. We're gonna enjoy our drink. So this will go to the compost or recycling. That's what I do. I compost mostly everything on the kitchen scraps. Okay. Okay. Now here we have a drink that only one more ingredient, 2 more. That's gonna be our vanilla extract. I'm gonna put less than 1 teaspoon, maybe half. Okay, and this is sugar. This is like 3/4, but it's up to you, whatever you would like to. If you like it very sweet, or usually I put a little more sugar because with ice, when you add the ice, it's going to be you need more sugar. Or if you're gonna make popsicle from this, yeah, you really need more sugar. Very sweet. Also the milk, I'm gonna add like 2.5 cup milk. You can put evaporated milk, or if you don't like dairy, so you can have allergic to lactose, so you can use almond milk or lactate. But what I want you guys to enjoy this nutritious drink, and it's called in Spanish it's Cebada, but it's barley drink. But if you go to a place that they speak Spanish, you ask for Cebada drink, this is what they're going to serve you. Okay, and also I want to explain to you the pink color that you can add it. It's up to you. You can drink it like this with no color, but they usually serve it like this color, pink. So I use crystal, sugar crystal that are red, or you can use food coloring, red food coloring. So that's how you can make it pink. Otherwise, you can drink it like it's very good. Like if you drink that in the morning, you won't be too hungry all day. Plus, it's good for you for diabetes, for high blood pressure. It has potassium. So if you want more information, go online and you'll find all the nutritious fact for this nutritious drink. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit, of my crystal, red crystal, and that's how it's gonna get a really nice pink color. Let me clear everything here so let's see how it's. Maybe we'll put a little more. If you have a small children, say if you make this drink, and then they will be delighted to add food coloring or crystals. So okay, and then we are going to add the ice. And ready. I hope this you like it. I hope you try this. It doesn't take too long. It's only take like 40 minutes to cook the barley. Otherwise, you can soak the barley in water for maybe a half an hour, and that's going to be faster. Okay, this is our drink. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to my channel.